Shiva, 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 Shiva.
Hi friends, this is NJ, your host on this channel. So we will continue our discussion on the lines. A quick recap of all what we have studied so far. So how these lines on the palm gets formed. So there can be three reasons for that. First remains to be the soul. Like the way it has been believed in spirituality that the soul never dies. It carries the account of the past life deeds. Second remains to be the fetal environment, the kind of environment which a mother gets at the time of the conception. And third remains to be the genetics, the heredity, the kind of traits which a child inherits from his parents. Now coming to the part where how can we judge these lines in consideration. So let's say whichever line you gets to wants to judge, those lines get judged on the basis of the four principles. First remains to be the origin of the line, second remains to be the termination of the line, third remains to be the presence of any branches or forks, and last remains to be the presence of any special signs and symbols on that particular line which we are studying. Now coming to the part of the line of Saturn. So what does the line of Saturn represent? So line of Saturn is chiefly studied to understand an individual's material prospects. So if you want to know how much potential an individual has to make money in this life, how much property he is going to buy, the any concern related to his work, related to his business environment, any kind of promotion or buying new property, buying new car, or even in terms of the matters of the heart, so arrival of the right partner into your life, all that gets seen and checked from the condition of the line of Saturn. So we have discussed already few concepts around line of Saturn regarding the quality of the line of Saturn. So like the way I have explained that the deep and clear formation of the line of Saturn remains to be the best one. Apart from that, chain kind of formation of the line of Saturn would indicate financial troubles, broad and shallow would indicate struggles, and waviness in the line of Saturn would indicate too much of fickleness. Let's say the second concept which we have also studied in the past video is about the beginning and termination of the fate line, because any point of time you'll find the line of Saturn to be originating from the mount of the Venus. So this portion tells about the support of the family members and the interference of the family members, involvement of the family members in someone's career or business. Origin of the line of Saturn from this point tells about the support of the other people, support of the opposite sex. The termination of the line of Saturn at the headline tells about wrong decisions taken at the time of in your finances or in your career. Line of Saturn terminating at the heart line also indicate some of the impulsive decision, wrong emotional decisions, immature emotional decisions, or could also indicate weakness of the physical organ heart. So we have discussed all of that. Now as this concept, the line of Saturn is chiefly associated with your wealth prospect. So the defects, studying the defects on this line gains paramount importance. So the first defect which we are going to study is the defect of the crossbar. So this is the kind of crossbar which I mean by the crossbar. So this crossbar, as we are studying the line of lines in palm in correlation with relating it with the electric wires. So as you can see, presence of these crossbar are going to pose obstruction in the free flow of the current or the life force energy from these lines. So what would happen is this kind of crossbar just indicate financial troubles. At that time you need to first age the lines, and this particular age would remain to be the time when this person would remain very vulnerable towards financial setbacks, difficulty in the major events of the life, or even in terms of his business or service. So whichever occupation this person is engaged, this remains to be the time. And this crossbar, just if you will just time it, so this would remain to be somewhere around close to 8 to 10 months of the periods of the time when this person would remain to be face setback in his financial endeavors. So the only way we can judge the the magnitude of this obstruction is you need to check it, the condition of this the strength of the crossbar with the strength of the line of Saturn itself. So let's say whichsoever is deeper or strong. So if this crossbar is lightly marked, lightly etched on the line of Saturn, so this would just indicate light problems where a person with a good thumb, which would indicate determination. Index finger would tell about your ambition. The headline tells about determination, focus. So a person can overpower it. But let's say if you'll find this crossbar to be deeply marked, so this would remain to be something of great worry. And let's say along with that you'll find the line of Saturn to be terminating on this crossbar, then this would become very serious. This might be the case of the end of a career, although we need to check it in conjunction with other markings on the lines as well, but this remains to be a serious concern. And the another condition and criteria could remain to be that the line of Saturn has got stopped by the this crossbar, indicating serious obstruction, but the line has again begun from little bit of the space. So let's say like this, or let's say like this. So the only thing which would matter is the wheresoever the line would get shifted, those endeavors would take precedence. And along with that, what is the condition of the line? So let's say the line of Saturn, which has been stopped by the crossbar, has started again with a little bit of gap, but now it has become more deep and clear. So this obstruction could be seen as a blessing in disguise, that the person has evolved, has improved because of the obstruction he has faced at this age. And let's say if this line will get light or distorted, so this would just remain to be the case that the person hasn't able to come over from his security, because you know when it we need to check the defects, we are checking it on two perspectives. First is, which is very objective, where we are studying it from the wealth perspective, you know, problem in career, problem in job, problem in finances. And second is because this line of Saturn also represents your stability and security. So someone who has met a divorce, or someone whose partner has died, or someone who has got separated from his partner, and that person was dependent on that person, and now he is not secured in his life. So that indication, all those indications will also be seen and checked from the line of Saturn only. So this would remain to be the part if we'll find the crossbar to be deeply marked and in these kind of situations. And let's say another case is that if we'll find this line of Saturn to be ending on this crossbar, and this kind of light influence line coming from this point and reaching to the bottom of the mount of the moon. So this is an ideal state of the bankruptcy. So this is how the crossbar gets studied and decoded in palmistry. The second defect which we need to understand is the symbol of dot. So like the way I have been saying this thing in all of my videos, that all these symbols and signs have got some archetype definition. So when it comes to the symbol of star, it could also it could indicate explosion, it could indicate illumination. It has got two very positive and very negative meaning. Same way, symbol of triangle, which represents mental intelligence, mental acumen. So a symbol of dot or mole or til is not considered good anywhere on the palm. So Hindu palmistry is strictly against this sign. This sign is considered as negative, and I have personally seen the signification of this sign, which has created chaos and havoc in people's life. So when you'll find this kind of sign on the line of Saturn, so this would just indicate sudden problem, sudden pressures. So this might remain to be the case when this person would face problem in his public image. This would remain to be the case when person would face sudden losses. This would remain to be the the time when person can face losses in stock exchange and losses in businesses, losses in different investments which a person is indulging into. So whatever the case would remain to be in terms of the signification, that would remain to be intense and that would remain to be sudden. So this is how this dot or til on the line of Saturn can be decoded as. So the third sign which we need to understand is the island. The symbol of island has this archetype quality of lack of energy. So had this island been spotted on the lifeline, this would have indicated problem related to health, lack of energy. But here, as this sign is going to be spotted on the line which represents your finances, so this would just indicate lack of lack of aptitude or lack of thought put into your investments, which could just result in the form of losses. So an island can be small like a small like a circle, and this could be long like a leaf. So the time till the time this island is present, so this is something an island looks like. So at the age wheresoever this island has spotted on the line, this would remain to be a time of financial worry. Now this whole thing comes down to where you have spotted the island on the line of Saturn. So the line of Saturn, when it comes to decoding and checking the line of Saturn, so at this point at the close to your bottom of the palm, this represents childhood on the line of Saturn, and this represents maturity and old age on the line of Saturn. So let's say if you have spotted this symbol of island here at the bottom of the line of Saturn, so this would just indicate all the situations. So this is where line of island has got spotted. So this is something which is not in the hands of an individual. So these are the early childhood years. So that remains to be a case when the person has faced financial troubles in his childhood. He might be born in a family where his parents were not very wealthy, were not very rich, and this could also indicate health related problem in the childhood. So for health related concern, we need to check it in conjunction with the lifeline. But when it comes to the wealth, so this would all be related to a subject's parents only. So that might be the case that the parents were not wealthy, and that might also be the case that the parents were not getting along well with each other. So that would remain to be the case when you will find the island at the origin. But let's say if you find the island to be at the at the mid, or let's say at the top of the on the mount of this Saturn, so then you need to check the overall condition of the hand. So what has led to the problem of finances in this individual's life? So let's say in the cases when you will find, so for example, a person is strongly Mercurian. So a person has strong Mercury, so this would just indicate inclination towards business and money. But let's say along with that, the little finger, this is my little finger, which is a little bit crooked, and the presence of negative signs on the mount of the Mercury in the form of dot, or in the symbol in the form of grill. So this would just indicate that the person is too shrewd and unscrupulous in his endeavors to make money. So that might be a reason for this person to face financial difficulties at this point of the time. And let's say if the person is strongly Luna, person is strongly moon dominated, and along with that the skin is soft, skin is flabby, so that might remain to be the case that the person is by himself lazy to put forth efforts and do hard work. So this is what the island represents. Island represents financial difficulties and the times of trouble in someone's finances. Next in the series is the symbol of break. So when it comes to checking and decoding the symbol of break, you need to understand that the first case is that a break has happened. So like the way I've been telling you repeatedly, that the line of Saturn tells about your wealth, it tells about your security, stability, it also tells about a major shift in your career, in your lifestyle. So this could indicate a shift. This could indicate a time when the person has wrapped up his business, or when the person has gone through complete change and transformation in his life. So someone who has completed his study, someone who was completely dependent on his family for his in terms of his money and monetary requirements, but now this person has completed his education and he has gone to far distant land, and where this person has to start his own life from the scratch. So those would remain to be the time when you will see a break. So whenever it comes to checking these kind of affliction on the lines, we need to first check what remains to be the case after beyond this point. So the break has happened, but now whether the line has improved after that break or line has got afflicted. So that's the first condition. Second is whether there is in the form of some overlap which is happening or not. So let's say an overlap which has happened in the form of like this. So this is an ideal state that just a shift has happened in someone's attitude, someone's thinking process, which is not something very severe or which is not something very critical. So this will all come down to even that shift, with which direction is it happening. So let's say if this shift and this overlap of this break is happening and the line is getting closer to the mount of the Jupiter, so this will just indicate someone becoming too ambitious. And same way, if you'll find this shift of this overlap of break to be happening and the line to be going closer to the ring finger, so this would just indicate person becoming too much liable for eligible for the fame for his good work, someone taking too much interest in the art and creativity. So this is how we see the breaks. Break in any case is an obstruction. It all would come down to whether the break is got self-repaired or even if the break is intact. So what is the condition of the line after that point of time? But in any case, those break would remain to the point of the time if you need to age the lines, when that person remains to be very careful, and even he has to save the money for before that break to happen, because those might be the times when the person might even lose his job or might even face some kind of losses in the business. So might be because Saturn is a karmic planet which teaches us, which even gives hardship in order for us to learn something out of that. So the person needs to remain forewarned and foreprepared before the happening of that event. So if somewhere around this time the break has happened, so this is the place where break is happening. So this is somewhere around 26-27 years of age. So at this point of time only person has to remain prepared and saving money in order to remain very much on top of his rainy days, at the time of rainy days. So this is how analysis is done, and this is how break can be decoded in the palmistry. Next is chain kind of formation, and like the way I have already explained, chain in any case is a sign of obstruction. This is the worst kind of formation for the line of Saturn to have. This represents, consistent trouble. So you can just relate it in the form of one island after another. So this is the time when current is not flowing freely, it is just getting obstruction. Current is just circulating on these loops, and it is not freely flowing on this medium on this line of Saturn. So the only saving grace would remain to be in the form of good line of sun or good thumb, which would just indicate determination, will, and very importantly a good headline, which would just indicate proper intelligence and proper planning in this person's endeavors. So chain is another negative sign to have. Next in the series is, we have already discussed this as well, wavy line of Saturn, which is also related with the planet Rahu. This is a very negative sign. This would just indicate someone becoming remaining very fickle, very inconsistent in all of his endeavors. So this person would just not remain consistent. So this just indicate unstable career, inconsistent work ethics, because when it comes to line of Saturn and the planet Saturn also, the planet Saturn rules about and tells about someone's wisdom, hard work ethics. So someone with this kind of formation would remain to be very, very wishy-washy in all of his purpose, his set goals, and even in his material endeavors and in his career. So this is how a wavy line of Saturn can be decoded as. Next in the series is symbol of star. So like the way I have already been saying this thing, symbol of star has got two meanings attached to it. One is illumination. Had this sign got formed at the found on the line of sun, this would have indicated excessive fame and good combination of wealth. But the symbol of star on the line of Saturn is not considered as good. This would just indicate sudden trouble. This would just indicate, very surprising kind of events. So that might be the case when this intensification of energy, this intense event has happened so suddenly that this person has got completely overwhelmed. What has happened? So this would remain to be the case. A star on the line of Saturn just indicates sudden losses. So if a person has spotted this kind of combination or this kind of symbol of defect on the line of Saturn, this person has to remain forewarned and forealarmed much before the happening of this event or the time when the person is going to run through this age, because this is going, whatsoever would happen, that is going to happen suddenly only. Next in the combination is this X bar. So this X bar, what has been written in our Hindu palmistry scriptures, the Samudik Shastra, that this just indicate not only losses in someone's wealth, someone's finances, but this also is related with someone's bad deeds done in past lives. So a symbol of X bar on the line of Saturn just indicate that only, and this just also makes someone vulnerable to the any kind of act of God or natural calamity as well. So the symbol of this X bar is also not considered as good on the line of Saturn. Now coming to all the repair signs and the strengthening agents. So we have already discussed the defects and the kind of afflictions on the line of Saturn, which is very important because this is the line which tells about the finances. But now what would remain to be the saving grace? What would remain to be the kind of remedial signs which could just reduce the happening or the kind of affliction caused by these defects? So the first in the series is, if you'll find the symbol of square around any kind of affliction. So let's say this is the symbol of square. So the best part about square is square represents protection. So wheresoever you have found, no matter how intense the affliction is, but if that affliction is being covered by the symbol of the square, this would just indicate that the person will be preserved from those affliction. So symbol of square here just represents that the energy could have got lost, but it has remained inside and it has been protected and preserved by the symbol of square. So the square is the best combination to have, and like the way we are discussing the repair signs and the strengthening signs all together. So all what I mean is, if the same symbol, the saving symbols would found on a defective portion, this would just repair it, and if these symbols are found on unblemished, unafflicted lines, this would just strengthen their prospects and their signification. So this is with the symbol of square. If you have found it over covering the defective portion of the line, this would just protect it. And if you have just found it on an clear line, unafflicted, unblemished line, this would just strengthen the signification of the line at that particular age. Next is presence of the sister lines. So let's say any point of time, the line is, let's say here, you have this sister line present on this area which is being afflicted by the presence of this X bar. So what is going to happen is that the current is not getting lost, so it is being protected by the presence of this sister line adjacent to this line. So like the way we have been discussing the principle of the repair and strengthening agent. So if this line is found on next to any defective region, this is just going to repair it and protect it. And let's say if you have spotted the same line, sister line, next to an unblemished section, so this is just going to strengthen the prospects of the line at that particular point of time in the form of financial security. And let's say in many times you will also find sister line to be present in a pair. So let's say this is the defective region, so you have sister line present on the left side of it and also the right side of it. So this would just indicate this remains to be the best time for this person to experiment on his lifestyle or in his career in terms of his finances, because the significations are being double protected by the presence of this repair agent. So this is how sister lines are seen as in palmistry. Next in the series of repair signs is the connecting lines. So let's say this is our line of Saturn. Here is a break on it, but this is being protected by this connecting line. So this is another case where the current is not getting lost, it is being protected just because of the presence of this connecting line here on the line of Saturn. So the signification, the current, the flow of the energy remains intact on the line of Saturn. So that this remains to be another sign of saving grace in palmistry and on the palm. Next is the presence of the triangle and tridents. So like the way I have been telling you about the archetype qualities of the signs and symbols. So the triangle represents, mental intelligence, the mental acumen. So what would happen is this remain to be a time where, let's say if this portion is afflicted because of the presence of a dot. So here we have a dot, but we also have at the same time on the line a triangle formation. So triangle which represents wisdom, and this is what even the planet Saturn also represents. Your wisdom, your work ethics, studiousness, all that gets seen from the planet Saturn only. So if this portion is afflicted, but which is making this person vulnerable to financial losses, although the symbol of dot just represents sudden losses and the kind of affliction to a person's public image, but if this portion, this afflicted portion is also being protected, or this portion also has the presence of a triangle sign. So this would just indicate that the person would remain to be too wise and too intelligent towards protecting his public image as well as all the matters of his finances. So this is how the symbol of triangle is seen as a protecting sign and a symbol of saving grace. So the same rule applies here as well. If this sign is symbol is spotted on an afflicted portion, this is going to repair it, protect it. If this symbol is found at an unblemished, afflicted line, this is just going to strengthen it in terms of good financial security and taking good wise decisions at this point of time. And last in the series of the repair signs is if we'll find the symbol of trident, something like this, line of Saturn to be ending on a trident kind of formation. So this is the best kind of formation for the line of Saturn to have. These people would remain to be too intelligent, too brilliant, too wise, and this is an exceptional quality for the line of Saturn to have, which would also indicate, because this is the portion of the old age. So this would just also indicate, too much of offering of titles, position, power, and too much of the intellectual accomplishment in this person's life. So this is how all these signs, the defects and the repair signs are seen on the line of Saturn. I hope I made myself very clear on this concept. For further more updates and notification on palmistry, please subscribe my channel and like my Facebook page. Thanks.